Alright, here we go. How far off do you jump? Alright, hopefully my camera stays on. Alright, ready? No. Alright, so Hobonichi day 256. Memphis, Tennessee, 40 states down, 10 to go. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Dude, it almost fell off. I mean, it did fall off, but I caught it. Let's see it. 1, 2, 3. Quick, you're on video. You gotta do it. This is going on YouTube. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Yeah! Woo! All right. How old are you, dude?
12.
Not bad for 12. Put it there, dude.
Let's shoot.
Wait, let's try it again. Woo! Nice.